Hey everyone, what is up? This is Latika and welcome to another video. This week's shout out goes to Anandita. Thank you so much for a lovely comment this week. If you want to put on my social media platforms, here are all the links. Alright, welcome to this week's Honest Beauty Tuesday video. So for today, we're going to be jumping into some affordable, clean skincare. We're going to be talking about 100% natural, chemical-free, paraben-free products that are made up of ingredients that you can literally find in your kitchen. Now, this is personally working really well for me. All those, ghar ke nuskes we talk about, I'm finally seeing them in action. And for me personally also, I've mentioned this in lots of previous videos, that switching to natural products, switching to chemical-free products is what's working best for me. And there are tons of shortcuts, tons of fast-paced solutions, but in the long term for me, they are not working out well. So I thought, why not sit down and talk about these 100% natural products which are helping me achieve that perfect glowing skin. And this is kind of a mini haul of my top favorite picks of toxic-free, chemical-free, paraben-free products. And this is a very affordable video. All of the products that I'm going to be talking about today are as it is super affordable, and I could get them even on a much more discount from the iHeart Beauty sale of purple.com. They have the sale from 8th to 12th February, and just to give you a little bit more idea about this sale, they offer a 2 days no questions asked return policy. And apart from the products that I'm going to be showing you, they have up to 5,000 products under rupees 400, and you can also get free delivery on your first order. So super excited to share with you, and a huge shout out to Purple for sponsoring this video. So I think as I get on with the products, I'll also be telling you the sale deal and the offer you can avail on these products. I mainly have them from 2 affordable brands, and I've heard such great reviews. Okay, the first product is from Alps Goodness. They have an offer of buy 2 get 2 free on this brand. Now this is basically an Amba Haldi powder for your hair. Amba in this is for hair growth, and Haldi helps basically nurturing your hair scalp. So it nourishes all those hair follicles, preventing any flaky scalp and thus promoting hair growth as well. Once again, this is 100% pure, natural, pesticide free, chemical free, which is super important. And it is preservative free and cruelty free. So it's simply a powder that you mix with a little bit of water, and you can apply it on your hair for up to 60 minutes. The MRP on this is literally rupees 99, which is so affordable. And I thought that this would be a really nice all natural product suggestion for your hair. Haldi, as we all know, is just used in so many beauty treatments. Next, a brand I have been so interested in trying, it's Good Vibes, and it's known to be a really good affordable skincare brand. So the sale was the perfect opportunity. On Good Vibes, you have buy 2 get 1 free, and you even have a free gift of up to rupees 200 if your cart size is up to rupees 699. And also Good Vibes is that brand which is incorporating these natural beneficial ingredients in such a nice way in all of their products. So I think this was the perfect fit. So the first product is the Good Vibes Papaya a face wash. Now you get 120 ml of product in this. It's cruelty free, paraben free, and it's literally under rupees 200. So this is what the bottle looks like. For an affordable product, it still feels good, it still feels good quality, and this does come in a lot of different variants. I decided to go for the papaya one. Papaya is basically enriched with vitamin A, C, K, E, and this is basically supposed to help you cleanse your skin thoroughly yet gently, fade away dark spots, and just overall improving the texture of the skin. And you also have these micro beads in this, which is basically helping those clogged pores, excess oil, and overall just leaving you with a glowing skin. Now face wash is something that we literally use twice or thrice a day, so I wanted something which was mild yet enriched with all that goodness, and this just has that mild fruity scent to it, which is really nice and fresh, especially in the mornings. Okay, next from Good Vibes, I decided to go ahead and pick up a sheet mask for myself. The MRP of this is rupees 100, and because of the offers you can get it a lot more cheaper than that. And something else that was super important to me while getting a sheet mask is that it is made up of eco-friendly material. It is not cotton, it is bamboo tencel. One of the major concerns with sheet masks is that they are not biodegradable and harmful, so I'm glad I was able to find this bamboo sheet mask. Now again, comes in lots of different variants. I particularly chose the rice one, as the main benefits of this one are nourishing the skin, moisturizing the skin, getting rid of that uneven texture, and thus leading to a brighter, healthier skin. And those are the concerns I wanted to tackle right now, so I decided to go with this one. And I know I've been saying this a lot, but just like the other Good Vibes products, even this one is cruelty free. Next, as an everyday affordable moisturizer, I found this Coconut Face cream, again from Good Vibes. No parabens, no sulfates, no mineral oil, and this is what the coconut face cream looks like. Again, super happy with the packaging. They haven't really compromised on that. Now why I chose this is because it is of a pretty thick consistency. So this is what it looks like, and once you apply it, it really nicely blends into the skin. It is a nice thick layer, so that's gonna help deeply moisturize my dry skin. So like the other products, even in this one you have tons of different variants. I decided to go for the coconut one, targeting my specifically damaged and dull skin. The coconut in this is helping in repairing my skin and providing that in-depth nourishment, and finally adding that healthy glow. So you can go ahead according to whatever problem area you are facing currently, and you can just get this face cream according to that, and it'll be affordable, it'll be free of all those harmful toxins. And I hope that these products make your everyday affordable 100% natural skincare routine all sorted. As usual, all of these products that I got will be linked down below. You can get them at purplle.com, and apart from these brands, there are tons of other brands on sale. You have Steakwalkie, Purplle, Dermadoc, all of these best quality brands at affordable prices, so you can go ahead and shop if you like. As I always say, that sale season is the best time to shop, stock up your favorites, and just gently keep an eye out for sales. And I myself will also make sure to update you guys here of all the amazing sale deals. And that's about it for today's video. If you want me to review any other brands or any other video suggestions you have, please drop them down in the comments box, and any of these products you have tried, and please let me know what has been your experience. If you have any other favorites from Good Vibes, let me know that also. And yes, I shall see you on Friday with a Fashion Friday video.